What's up YouTube, County back here again for another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use split screen in Microsoft Edge. Without further ado, get into it. Alright, so here we are on our Windows 11 desktop. All you're going to do is come down to the bottom and open up Microsoft Edge. Once you open up Microsoft Edge, you can go ahead and open up any tab you want. For me, I'm just going to open up GNC. And then the way you open up split screen mode is by clicking on the three dots up here in the top right. Go ahead and click on that and then click on split screen. Once you click on split screen, you can go ahead and open up anything you want. So I'm gonna open up another GNC tab. So I have GNC on the right and then GNC on the left as well. And then if you wanna scroll up and down, all you gotta do is hover your mouse over each side that you wanna scroll up and down on. So I'm scrolling up and down on the right and then the left. And then if you want to close one side, you see these little buttons up here in the top right. They have them on both sides. So if you click on the three dots, it's going to do open this web page in a new tab, separate the two tabs, switch left and right tabs, switch to vertical, and then open left links to the right. And then you can also send feedback. If you just want to close one side, all you got to do is click on the little X right here. So I'm going to click on this X and show you what happens. So I clicked on the X, and now as you can see, I am back to normal Microsoft Edge mode. But that's how you use split screen mode in Microsoft Edge. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down in the comment section, and make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget to take it easy.